Okay, so today I'm going to use the lemon, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So when you first get it, it's going to have a seal over the top, so you just unseal it, and then you're just going to grab some of the gel out of the jar, and I'm just going to grab it all out. And then you want to knead the gel a little bit before you use it, because it becomes so it can become less sticky. So, and then you knead it like that. So you just want to knead it a bit. And then this is just such an easy thing to do. It's just so cool. Okay. So it's kneaded a little bit, and you can see the dust here, and you just squeeze it into the corner and it just picks it right up. Look at that. Just picks it right up, and then you just knead it back in to distribute it out so that you can use it over and over again. So you can use it for more and more and more. Look at how well that's cleaning. I love this. This is great stuff. So very cool. And you just knead it back in there. And you knead it before and after use. And I'm just rolling it right along in that corner. And it has just picked up all of the dirt and dust. That is fabulous. You can see it all there very quickly. And then you just knead it right back in. So it just picks up dirt and loose stuff, you know, like on your keyboard, and it doesn't stick to your fingers. So it's really cool. So you just press the gel gently onto the desired areas and roll it over to pick up the debris with ease, and that's it. And then you can actually just put it right back in the jar and you can use it again. Isn't that cool? Ta-da! So this company is called inMotion Parts, and it's a really cool cleaning gel that comes in some great smells. You've got natural apple, you've got natural strawberry, you've got natural grape, you've got natural mint, and also you've got lemon. And they smell really good too. And what's cool about it, is when you clean with them and you use them, they leave the scent in the home, and it's really nice. And they're really easy to use. You can use them for cleaning like dust and dirt off of really hard to reach areas, you know, like your keyboards or car vents or cup holders or like edge of seats and crevices and stuff.